Arrive. Nakikita nyo yung likod? Yan yung view. So that's the room. Oh, that's so cute. And that's the view. Super nice. I love it. Check the top. Oh! Oh, wow. This is the fridge. This is the cabinet. The bathtub. Down. And that's the shower. Oh my god, it's huge. It looks so small. Oh my god. Isn't that nice? Oh my god. Ito yung pool na pangalawa. Yung isa yung yun yung medyo mahaba. Tapos yan yung villa. In front ng dagat talaga. Ang ganda. Yan lang yung ano, may balcony. Yung iba wala. Yan yung iba. Pero wala silang balcony. Kaya maganda yung place namin. Maganda. Ito yung dagat. So, time na mag-explore. Hindi pa namin na-explore to. Mag-explore namin to. Left and right. Ay, ginagawa pa pala yung kabila. May ginagawa pa. Yan yung in front din talaga.